If you're looking for something to fix up and make your own, this may just be it. Or it is a great investment opportunity as the home needs some work. There is work to be done, but it is worth a look. There are 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom in this Cape Cod-style home in Muskegon School District. The kitchen is in quite good shape and has plenty of storage and tile floors. The bathroom has also been updated and has tile floors. There is a full basement for lots of extra storage, as well as a storage shed in the backyard.